Good day each and everyone. I'm John Kirby Galinato, BSIT 1D. My subject instructor is Mrs. Ray Mariel Montero. My title is GCash Digital Wallet. This is my introduction. For a million Filipinos, GCash isn't just an app, it's a trusted companion that the first right in their pocket. From sending money to siblings studying another province, paying electricity bills without lining up in the office, or grabbing snacks for the neighborhood sari-sari store, this mobile wallet has become part of our daily lives. It's one of the country's most loved digital payment platform, making financial tasks simpler and more accessible for people across all walks of life. The main purpose of GCash is to provide a convenient, fast, and secure cashless payment system accessible through the internet. The scenario was selected because GCash is commonly used in everyday life, especially among the student and works, making it an ideal real-world example of how data communication and networking operate. Description of the real scenario. GCash is used through a mobile application connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Users can send money, scan QR codes to pay merchants, and transfer funds to banks. This is the users: individual customers, business and merchants, banks and partner institutions, device and usage data. This category is all about who you are and how you're registered in GCash. It's like your digital ID inside their system. It includes the basic details that confirm your identity and make sure your account belongs to you. The next category focus on what GCash is really built for: moving money. This include everyday transaction you make, whether you're sending money, paying bills, buying load, or shopping online. It keeps track of your financial activities to make sure everything is recorded and secure. The last category is about how you use GCash. It looks at the device you're using, your app activity, and how you interact with the services. It's not really about who you are, but more about your digital footprint, how you access and navigate the platform. Data communication and network concept applied. Data communication is the exchange of data between devices through a transmission medium such as the internet. This is the type of network use. Wide area network, or WAN, because GCash operates across cities and nationwide. Importance of networking in the scenario: enables instant transfer of funds, allows communication between users, device merchant, and banking serves, provide secure digital financial services. Networking plays a very important role in digital payments because it makes everything fast, connected, and secure. It allows money to be sent and received in real time. So instead of waiting days for a transfer to go through, transactions are completed within seconds. When you use GCash to pay, you're upon the merchant's system, and the bank servers all communicate with each other through the internet. This smooth communication ensures that your payment is properly verified and successfully completed. At the same time, networking supports security. Features like encryption and authentication, which help protect your personal information and keep your money safe from unauthorized access. This is the computer network models or OC model layers involved. Physical model, transmission through the cellular data or Wi-Fi signals. Second, the link device connection through network interface. 3. Network IP addressing and routing. 4. Transport TCP, UDP, and communication. 5. Session, login session between app and server. 6. Presentation, data encryption. 7. Application, GCash app interface. TCP or IP model layers. This is the application, transport, internet, network interfaces. Application in GCash. In GCash, networking is what makes everything work smoothly behind the scenes. Whenever you send money, pay bills, buy load, or scan a QR code at a store, the app quickly connects to servers through the internet to process your transaction. In just a few seconds, the system checks your internet, confirms the details, and completes the payment. Networking allows GCash to connect with banks and other financial services, so you can easily transfer money, cash in or cash out. At the same time, it helps keep your account secure by supporting safety features that protect your information and transaction. Simplify put, networking is the reason GCash can provide fast, convenient, and safe digital payment anytime, anywhere. This is protocols and standard use. Common protocol used in online financial system like GCash, HTTP, HTTPS, secure web communication, TCP, reliable transmission of transaction data, SSL, TLS, encrypts sensitive information, HTTPS and authentication system help protect financial data from unauthorized access. This is the transmission modes and transmission media. Transmission mode, full duplex, data can be sent and received simultaneously. Transmission media, fiber optic cables used by internet providers. Unguided Wi-Fi signals, cellular networks. In GCash, data moves through a full duplex transmission mode, meaning information can be sent and received at the same time. In a simple terms, while your phone is sending a payment request, it is also receiving a response from the server instantly. This two-way communication happening at the same time is what makes transaction feel quick and seamless. When it comes to how the data actually travels, both wired and wireless connections are involved. Guided media, such as a fiber optic cables, use cable internet providers help delivered fast and stable broadband connection. These cables carry large amount of data over long distance, making online financial services reliable. On the other hand, unguided media includes Wi-Fi and cellular networks. This wireless signal allows your phone to connect to the internet without being physically attached to cables. Most GCash transactions happen through mobile data or broadband internet, which uses this communication connection to securely link your devices to banking services in real time. This is OC model Data flow analysis. Example, sending money via GCash. Users enters transaction details in the GCash app, application layer. Data is encrypted, presentation layer. Session established with the GCash server, session layer. Data sent using TCP, transport layer. Routed through internet using IP network layer. Transmitted via Wi-Fi or mobile networks, data link, and physical layers. Servers process transaction and sends confirmation back to the users. This is my conclusion. GCash clearly shows how data communication and network system work together to make fast, secure financial transaction possible in everyday life. Because of internet, connectivity communication protocols, and encryption, users are able to send money, pay bills, and complete transaction instantly and safely. This case study highlights how important networking is. Modern digital banking. It ensures that communication between users and financial institutions is reliable, secure, and efficient, making digital financial services convenient and trustworthy for everyone. This is my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.